To install Mopria Default Print Service in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon, select connections, and then select more connection settings. Next tab printing, and then uh, select default print service, and then on sorry searching for printers, please wait until searching complete. And then tap your printer information icon, and then select Mopria. The default print service provides basic options. Other options for this printer may be available from another print service. Then tap Mopria. So you can select Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Tap install to install. Then just wait until the process complete installing. Then to open, tap open. Right. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.